Hello guys, do you really want to know how to make this beautiful gorgeous trending hairstyle? Oh yeah, watch this video to the end. So you're going to repeat this style on the other side. So on the middle, you braid like 4 to 5 hair on the middle. So that's how to achieve this wonderful braids. And this is not a beginner friendly, it's for those that have already known how to braid, those that can braid like a pro. So this video is for you. So as a beginner, if you really want me to make a video on how to braid as a beginner, drop it on the comments. So we have come to the end of this wonderful hair tutorial. Do wait to drop your comments, your opinion, like, share, subscribe for more updates. See you guys in my next video.